It's a warm summer night, August 15th, 1977. Inside a massive radio telescope in Ohio known as the Big Ear, computers quietly scan the sky, searching for something humanity has never heard before. A signal from another world. For months, the machines listened to stars, sending endless rows of numbers and letters onto long sheets of paper. It's tedious work, almost boring. Until suddenly, a 72-second burst of radio energy hits the telescope. The computers print it out. At first glance, it looks like random code, 6EQJ5. But to people who understand what it means, it's a scream in the silence. The next morning, the volunteer astronomer named Jerry Ehman reviews the printouts. His eyes freeze on that one mysterious sequence. 6EQUJ5. He circles it in red pen and writes one word next to it. Wow. And just like that, the wow signal is born. So what exactly is it? The Big Ear telescope is scanning radio frequencies around 1420 megahertz. That's not just any frequency, it's the exact frequency naturally emitted by hydrogen, the most common element in the universe. And many scientists believe that if extraterrestrials ever try to send us a signal, this is the frequency they would choose. The wow signal is strong. It rises and fades exactly like a real celestial source. It does not resemble any satellite, aircraft, or Earth-based transmission known at the time. It lasts precisely 72 seconds, which is the exact time the telescope remains pointed at a single part of the sky before moving on. That specific part of the sky, a distant region in the constellation Sagittarius, near a group of stars with no known planets. Over the next few days, astronomers try to locate the signal again using the same telescope. And then again with other instruments. Nothing. The wow signal never repeats. It simply appears once and disappears forever. This is where the real mystery begins. A signal that looks exactly like an artificial transmission, appearing on the frequency most likely to be used for interstellar communication, and detected by a scientific experiment designed specifically to find such a thing. Just happens one time by pure accident. Could it be alien? Some scientists immediately say yes. They argue that the precision and strength of the signal point to intentional design. It arrives from deep space, in the hydrogen line, as if someone is saying, "We know you're listening." But others are more cautious. There are alternative theories, all interesting, all incomplete. One theory suggests the source might have been a comet passing through the area at the time, emitting hydrogen radiation. But later studies show that the comets in question were not even in the right position. Another proposes The signal could be the result of a military transmission reflected off space debris. But no military transmission has ever been found to match the frequency, duration, or timing. A third idea claims it might have been an unknown natural astrophysical phenomenon, something we simply don't understand yet. But in the 47 years since the WOW signal was detected, nothing similar has been observed anywhere in the universe. And so, the WOW signal remains suspended in mystery. Not proven. Not debunked. Just there, a single 72-second whisper floating in the dark. It is now one of the strongest candidates for an extraterrestrial transmission ever detected. And yet, it raises more questions than answers. If it really was a message from intelligent life, why send it only once? Why disappear, never to repeat again? Were we not listening at the right time? Or was it a signal meant for someone else, and we just happened to catch it by accident? Even today, astronomers still return to that same patch of sky, pointing newer, more advanced telescopes towards Sagittarius, hoping to hear that sound one more time. So far, nothing. All we have is that one red circle. 6 characters printed on paper. And a question that refuses to fade. Was the WOW signal the first contact with another civilization? Or the greatest cosmic coincidence in human history? One thing is clear. The universe is far stranger than we thought. Think again.